What's up, guys? So here we are, part number 2 of the 210 chopper or 212 chopper. So I kind of got a jump start on painting it. My bad. So it's really red, orange, red. I just taped off the forks, like I said, and then yeah, so there's a bike going by, and Harley riders. So I'm gonna give it another coat here, another really nice coat, and see if we get a good shine out of this. I want it to be really glossy. I know it won't, it's just spray paint, but you know, one in one hand, right? So I'll be right back after I give it this coat. Alright, so I got the I got the frame painted. It's really nice red. And then I got the 2 fenders. There's all the little chrome pieces I was saying, and then the gas tank cover. And tonight I'm gonna clean up. I got some overspray here, on here, right here, and then right down in here, and same on the other side. So I'll get that all off, clean it up. I'll take this plate off, which I should have done in the beginning, but I just didn't. And that's what holds this is what holds the headlight on, and turn signals. But I'm gonna get a little light bar, and that'll be fine. So I'm gonna start putting all this on and keep progress with you. Actually, I got one more thing I didn't grab, so let me grab it. I got it. Swing arm. So we're gonna set that there. I think this is gonna be pretty dang cool. So tomorrow, which will be the next week for you guys, I'll be wiring it up, and hopefully I can get some lights going, and I've got everything on order, so I'll just wait for all that to come in. I don't know what happened there, that came off, so I'll figure that out, remount that up. That light is kind of bright, but that's all I got kind of for light. So let me get all this put on here, and then I'll show you what it looks like right now. Alright, so I got it. Got everything put on. Took about, what, 20 minutes maybe? And I did more just because I want to give myself a little sneak peek of what I want to see. This thing is cool. It's a big, major, huge difference than what it started out as. I can't wait to have it out in the sunlight. And this cover here, there was that engine plate that was right here. Well, that had the post on it for that. So if I can get this mounted right here somewhere, I think that'd be kind of neat. Cut it a little bit, mount it up. You get the point. You get the point. So yeah, something like that. But man, this is sweet. I'm pretty stoked. So we're gonna see how long it'll take me to get everything in order. I could bring the engine forward another inch. I think I'll do that just for weight in the front. Do weight distribution. You can see here on the swing arm how far that fender sticks out. It looks kind of funny. So I think I'm gonna look for like a Grom or a scooter rear wheel and bring that swing arm back, 4 to 6 inches, and I think that'd be pretty cool. I want something kind of fat on the back. I don't like the double tires for like my wife or my son. It's pretty unstable for them because they can't really throw it that easy. So yeah, I'm really stoked. So please like and subscribe. There'll be another video next week, and hopefully I got everything in. Thank you.